I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling developer mode in the Oculus mobile app so your Quest 2 accepts side-loaded apps. This is required to install Chrome. Once done, connect the headset to your PC with a USB-C cable and accept the computer prompt inside the headset. Make sure you have ADB tools installed on your PC or a compatible side-loading app on your Mac. Now locate the Chromium-based APK you downloaded. You will push that file to the headset in the next step. You'll now install the APK using either ADB or SideQuest. If using ADB, open a terminal, run a DB devices to confirm the Quest is listed, then a DB install followed by the APK file name. Wait for success. If using SideQuest, connect the headset, click Install APK file, and pick the same file. SideQuest shows install progress. Once finished, check the headset's Apps menu under Unknown Sources to confirm the browser app appears. You should open the newly installed browser from Unknown Sources and grant camera, microphone, or storage permissions as prompted so pages load fully. Once launched, tweak display scale and input mapping to make navigation comfortable with your controllers. If the app crashes or won't install, try reinstalling ADB drivers, switch USB ports, or download a different Chromium build. Reinstalling via SideQuest often resolves package signature or compatibility issues. Finally, reboot the headset after changes to ensure stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.